Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us. So, you're looking for some popular software, right? And you see that sponsored ad at the top. Looks legit, doesn't it? Well, it's actually a trap set by some pretty savvy cybercriminals. This whole trick is called malvertising, and trust me, it's an incredibly effective tactic. Basically, hackers are just paying to cut right to the front of the line, bypassing all the normal checks. Here's how simple it is. They buy an ad for software you trust. You click, and malware starts downloading silently. That sneaky download, it's often something called a bat loader. Its whole job is stealing your data. And this thing can do a lot, from stealing passwords to logging every single key you press. So the big question is, how do you possibly fight a threat you can't even see coming? The answer might surprise you. It's not your antivirus. It's actually a simple ad blocker. Look, without one, the trap is visible. With an ad blocker, poof, the ad just disappears entirely. Tools like uBlock Origin have become absolutely essential. They stop the attack before it even starts. Think about it. Is your browser accidentally leaving the door wide open for these guys? Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.